Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to verify your identity and your address on Google AdSense. Now, to verify your identity is quite easy. All you need to do is to upload a verified ID or government ID. As you can see here, my earnings are being displayed here, but for you to verify your ID you need about $10 on your YouTube Studio, so that should be reflected there. So as you can see, my identity has been verified. If I go over to my email, Google will send you an email saying you need to verify your identity, saying it's very important and you must have reached a threshold of $10. So if you receive this email, it means you can go ahead and click verify now and provide the documents like your ID, driver's license, etc. Once you do that, it's going to be verified automatically in a matter of seconds. So the next thing is to verify your address. It will take about a day after your identity has been verified for you to get this email telling you to verify your address. So Google is going to generate a PIN, a 6-digit PIN, and send it to your postal address. So make sure you fill that in correctly. And when you receive it, you can just input it here and your Google AdSense will be verified. The next step would be to add your payment details, and that will be in another video. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and make sure to like this video and consider subscribing to our channel for prior updates on everything tech.